Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Delta Airlines places a high priority on safety and has implemented various measures to ensure the well-being of its passengers and crew members. Here are some key aspects of Delta Airlines safety. Regulatory compliance. Delta Airlines adheres to all safety regulations set forth by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the United States, as well as other relevant international regulatory bodies. Highly trained pilots. Delta Airlines employs well-trained and experienced pilots who undergo rigorous training and recurrent evaluations to maintain their skills and knowledge. Maintenance and inspections. Delta Airlines follows strict maintenance procedures and conducts regular inspections on its aircraft to ensure they are in optimal condition for safe operations. Any necessary repairs or maintenance work is promptly addressed. Safety Management System, SMS. Delta Airlines has a robust safety management system in place to identify and mitigate potential risks. This includes a proactive approach to safety, reporting and investigating incidents, and implementing measures to prevent future occurrences. Emergency response planning. Delta Airlines has comprehensive emergency response plans in place to handle various situations, including medical emergencies, natural disasters, and security threats. The airline conducts regular drills and training exercises to prepare its crew members for such events. Security measures. Delta Airlines works closely with relevant authorities and implements stringent security measures to ensure the safety of its passengers and their belongings. This includes thorough passenger and baggage screening processes. Collaborative efforts. Delta Airlines actively collaborates with other airlines, industry organizations, and government agencies to share best practices, exchange safety-related information, and contribute to the overall improvement of aviation safety. It's important to note that safety is a top priority for all major airlines, including Delta. They continuously invest in training, technology, and infrastructure to enhance safety measures and maintain their excellent safety record. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. For more information about Delta Airline, you can call our support number +1 800 504 6979 or visit our website https://flightsassistance.com. Thanks for watching.